Welcome to Section 1, Affiliate Marketing. Earn money now. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to make money online. You simply promote other people's products, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. That's right, you earn money for recommending stuff you like. The best part? Some programs offer very fast payouts. Imagine seeing profits from your work within days. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Instead of waiting weeks or months to get paid, with affiliate marketing, you can see results quickly. This quick cash flow can be really motivating. It helps you reinvest in your business and grow even faster. Plus, it's just plain exciting to see those commissions roll in quickly. Affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to earn money on your own terms. Many people are drawn to affiliate marketing because it offers flexibility and control. You can work from anywhere, at any time. You choose the products you promote and how you promote them. This makes it a great option for people who want to be their own boss. It's also a great way to earn passive income, which means you can earn money even when you're not actively working. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative income stream. With the right strategy and dedication, you can achieve financial success through affiliate marketing. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how quickly you can start earning. Section 2. Quick cash niches. Some affiliate marketing niches are known for their fast payouts. These niches often involve products or services with high demand and quick buying decisions. Let's explore some of these exciting opportunities for quick cash. Digital products, ebooks, online courses, and software are popular. People buy these products instantly online. Commissions are often paid quickly. Health and fitness. People are always searching for solutions to improve their health. Weight loss products, fitness programs, and supplements are big sellers. Affiliate programs in this niche often provide quick payouts. Dating and relationships. Online dating sites and relationship advice services are always in demand. Affiliate programs in this niche are known for their fast commission payouts, often within days. Make money online, people always want to learn how to earn extra income. Affiliate programs for online business tools, courses, and resources are popular and pay out quickly. These are just a few examples, and there are many other profitable niches with fast payout options. The key is to find a niche that interests you and offers products or services you believe in. Remember, success in any niche requires effort, but focusing on niches known for quick payouts can provide a significant advantage. By choosing the right niche, you can increase your chances of seeing fast results and enjoying a consistent stream of income. So do your research and explore various options to find the perfect niche for your affiliate marketing journey. Section 3. Instant payouts, how they work. Instant payouts in affiliate marketing are made possible through various methods. Some affiliate networks and programs have systems that allow for quick processing of commissions. When a sale is made, the system automatically tracks and verifies the transaction. Once verified, the commission is released to the affiliate's account without delay. Digital products often have automated delivery systems. This means that as soon as a customer makes a purchase, they receive the product instantly. This instant delivery allows for immediate tracking and commission payments. With physical products, the process might take a bit longer due to shipping and handling. Some affiliate programs offer weekly or even daily payouts. They aim to provide affiliates with faster access to their earnings. These programs understand the importance of cash flow for affiliates. They strive to make the payment process as efficient as possible. This can be a huge advantage for affiliates who rely on quick earnings to reinvest in their businesses or cover expenses. Instant payouts can provide a significant motivational boost for affiliates. Seeing quick returns on their efforts can encourage them to work harder and promote more products. This can lead to increased earnings and faster business growth. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate and the merchant. Section 4. Picking products for profit. Choosing the right products is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. You want products that are in demand, offer good commissions, and have a solid reputation. Do your research. Look for products that are relevant to your niche and audience. Read reviews and compare features to find the best options. High commission rates. Pay attention to the commission structure. Look for products that offer a good percentage or fixed amount per sale. Some products offer recurring commissions, providing ongoing income from a single sale. Quality matters. Promote products you believe in. If you wouldn't recommend it to a friend, don't promote it to your audience. Building trust with your audience is essential for long-term success. By focusing on high-quality products that resonate with your audience, you can increase your chances of making sales and earning commissions. It's about creating a win-win situation for you and your audience. Remember, happy customers are more likely to return for more, leading to greater earning potential for you. Section 5. The right platform for fast cash. Choosing the right platform for your affiliate marketing efforts is essential for maximizing your earning potential and ensuring fast payouts. Here's what to consider. Reliable affiliate networks. Research and compare various affiliate networks. Look for networks with a proven track record of timely payments and excellent customer support. Consider factors like commission rates, payout thresholds, and payment methods offered. Direct affiliate programs. Some companies offer their own affiliate programs. These can be a good option as you're dealing directly with the product creator. However, ensure they have a reliable payment system and a good reputation for affiliate support. Niche-specific platforms. Some platforms cater specifically to certain niches like health and fitness or online business. These platforms often have a curated selection of relevant products and may offer faster payouts within their specialized network. It's crucial to do your due diligence when selecting a platform. Read reviews, compare features, and choose a platform that aligns with your needs and goals. Don't be afraid to reach out to their support teams with any questions you have. A reputable platform will be transparent about its policies and eager to assist you. By choosing the right platform, you can streamline your affiliate marketing efforts. This allows you to focus on promoting products and earning commissions with the assurance of fast and reliable payouts.